Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable in our ELA class, English Language Arts, where right now we're reading from collections, super senses, and this is one of my favorite senses we're going to learn about today. Taste. Yes, taste. Recipes. Now, recipes tell us how to make a certain kind of food. And we have round the world recipes. So round the world, like everywhere. Or at least as many places as they could fit. Look, they even have a picture of the globe there, or the world. Round the world recipes. So this isn't just going to be from Canada, not just from Saskatchewan. Could be from Africa, could be from Europe, could be from Asia, could be from the Philippines, could be from Texas, could be from Finland, could be from Australia, could be from New Zealand, could be from almost anywhere. Let's find out. Egypt. I didn't even say that one. Egypt. So recipes around the world, boy, my tongue is just getting too excited about the food, I think. Round the World Recipes by Madhur Jaffrey, illustrated by Tadez Majewski. Interesting names. Egypt. That's not very far. That is a lot. See, my mouth's not working again. It's working to speak. Hopefully you can hear me, but it's too excited about eating. I might have a hard time with this. We may have to stop through some of the recipes. Let's see. Egypt. Spice dip for raw carrots. Okay, so got your raw carrots, some spice dip. Dip with your carrots. Serve 6. You see how it says right here? There's some interesting things in recipes. Tells you where it's from, Egypt. Tells you what it is, spice dip for raw carrots. Tells you how many it serves, unless you like to eat a lot. Then it might not serve all 6. But generally it serves 6. Now, this is a dry dip. It is excellent with carrot sticks, as well as with celery, or cucumbers, or cherry tomatoes. Versatile, yes. Here's the list that you need. 30 milliliters sesame seeds. 15 milliliters coriander seeds, 10 milliliters cumin seeds, 15 milliliters kosher salt, and no milliliters, just freshly ground pepper. I'm guessing that's just to taste, right? And 6 raw carrots. I guess 1 carrot each. Oh, division. There's math everywhere. 6 divided by 6. It's fine, So here's what you have to do. Put the sesame seeds, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds in a small, heavy cast iron frying pan and heat over a medium flame. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes until the spices give out a roasted smell. Ooh, we gotta smell this one. Do not let them burn. Don't want to smell that. Let the spices cool a little and then grind them in a clean coffee grinder. Empty into a small bowl, add the salt and pepper and mix well. Peel the carrots and cut into 7-centimeter sticks. Serve with dip. Here you go. Copy that one down. Try it out. That's just one of many. What country is next? Senegal. Ooh, Senegal. Have you heard of that one? Senegal. Fresh papaya. Sounds good. There it is. Senegal fresh papaya. Serves 2 to 4 depending upon size. When you buy a papaya, make sure that it is somewhat yellow and nicely ripe. Serve it for breakfast or as dessert. All you need is 1 ripe papaya, slightly soft to the touch. 2 to 4 wedges of lime. So you cut the papaya in half or quarters lengthwise. Got your fractions. See more math here. Remove all the black seeds with a spoon and discard them. That means get rid of them. Could compost though. There's some science. Put each piece of papaya on a separate plate with a wedge of lime near it. Squeeze some lime juice over the top. Scoop out the papaya meat with a spoon and eat. Papayas have meat. I never knew. There it is. From Senegal, fresh papaya. India. Ooh. Yogurt with cucumber and raisins. Give it a try. Serves 2 to 4. 2 to 4 people. 2 to 4. Always math. You could eat this as a snack or as a salad. 15 milliliters golden raisins. 250 milliliters plain yogurt. That's a whole cup. 1 1/2 milliliters salt. Freshly ground pepper, and half a cucumber. So you have to soak the raisins in hot water for 30 minutes. Drain, means get rid of the water. Put the yogurt in a bowl with raisins and mix well with a fork until creamy. Add the salt and pepper, peel the cucumber, and grate it into the yogurt. Mix well. And the favorite part, eat. Italy. Oh, I like the bread. Bruschetta. Bruschetta serves 4. You may serve this as a first course, like an appetizer, or as a snack. 8 slices of fresh, crusty crusty French or Italian white bread. You need about 45 to 60 milliliters of olive oil, 16 fresh basil leaves, 250 milliliters, 1 cup, of fresh chopped ripe tomatoes, some salt, and some freshly ground pepper again. Just before eating, spread the bread slices in front of you on the counter. Brush each with a little olive oil. Put 2 basil leaves on top of the oil. Put about 30 milliliters of the chopped tomatoes on top of the basil leaves. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper over the top of the tomatoes and serve. Oh, your parents would be so impressed. Mexico. Oh, that's the closest one we've had so far. Mexico is in North America. It's our first North American one because remember, Mexico, United States, and Canada are the only ones here in North America. Tacos. Serves 2 to 4. Here is a complete meal. All that is needed afterward is some fruit. So after tacos, good to have some fruit. 175 milliliters canned black beans. 4 taco shells. 60 milliliters shredded cheese, cheddar or Monterey Jack. It's optional. 60 milliliters shredded lettuce, 60 milliliters chopped tomatoes, some salt, and freshly ground pepper. These things have a lot of salt and freshly ground pepper. Put the beans in a bowl and mash them lightly. Put 45 milliliters of the mashed beans in each taco shell. Put 15 milliliters of shredded cheese, which was optional, on top of the beans in each shell. Top the cheese with 15 milliliters each of the lettuce and then the tomatoes. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper on the tomatoes and serve immediately because everybody will be hungry and you don't want to smell good. You don't want it to get cold. Cold tacos. No, I don't think so. Oh man, that's it? Oh, I'm almost disappointed. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recipes. Not bad. I'm kind of liking this super senses, especially the. Ooh, candy cane? Oh, no. Let's see. A sweet treat. 1 candy cane, Peel and eat. Have a good day. Bye-bye.